Hi friends, welcome back to our channel TravelOpedia. In today's video, we are taking you to the Mrugavani Resort and Spa near Srisailam. It is a perfect weekend getaway surrounded by nature. It is located just at a short drive from the Srisailam Temple, and this resort offers a peaceful retreat with greenery, comfortable rooms, and modern facilities. The resort is apt for families, couples, and groups who want to enjoy both spirituality and relaxation. Now we are heading towards the reception area. Let's go and check out the reception. And here comes the reception area. Now after completing all the formalities, we have to cross this bridge and take the elevators towards the rooms. This resort offers the cozy cottages and deluxe rooms, each equipped with modern amenities. Spacious interiors, neat furnishing, and balconies that open to the refreshing natural views make your stay comfortable. So we are entering the elevator now. Friends, behind me, this view is of reservoir on Krishna River, and from here only the water to the dam is supplied. Isn't it beautiful and mesmerizing? Now here come the cottages. Wow, it's so peaceful. I love this place. Looks like some school tour is also here. Now here comes our room. It has all the amenities like television, air conditioners, water, kettle, a very cozy and comfortable bed, sitting. This is the washroom, cabinet. Wow, this is beautiful. I could see kids play area down there. My kid is definitely going to love this. So now we are showing you the washroom. It's quite big and spacious. Now we are going to the balcony. It's amazing. It, it has just rained. Rain has just struck and it's beautiful. What do you think, viewers? Isn't it beautiful? And we are showing you the zoom view of Srisailam Temple if you can gaze out. I can spend my whole evening sitting in this balcony. Now the other view of other cottages. Now, yeah, I was right. There is some school group has come over here and they are playing and a bonfire is ongoing. Friends, this is the night view of the resort. Wow. So now let's take you to the in-house restaurant, which serves the variety of cuisine from authentic Andhra flavors to North Indian and continental dishes. This is the restaurant area, and we are here for the morning buffet. This open dining atmosphere adds to the experience. So, friends, that was our tour of Mrugavani Resort and Spa in Srisailam. Would you like to stay here for your next trip? Do let us know your comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye. Till we are back with our new video.